Hi, a bucket truck. Say hi to Bucket Truck. He does many useful things. He changes streetlights, trolley wires, and comes when a work at height is required. Bucket Truck must be very responsible and should always make sure he's in a neat condition. Wait a minute. Our friend Bucket Truck can't raise his bucket. Looks like it's time to go to BiBi. Hell yeah!
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
What? Oh no! Hi there! You're right on time! You can help me to change that light bulb!
The Bucket Truck told BiBi about his bucket.
Uh-huh.
How he tried to raise it, but just couldn't.
I see. Yep. Doesn't seem at all fun. Alright, let's check you out. Well? You see, your bucket goes up because of hydraulic system. The pump sends engine oil along the system, and the pressure lifts the bucket all the way up. When there is no oil in the system, the pump doesn't produce enough pressure. And that's why the bucket won't move. Hey, don't worry, we'll get you some oil. Okay, let's pick the one we can use.
There. Will that do?
Are you serious? It's butter. That goes on sandwich, not inside a car.
What about this? Looks good to me.
No, that's olive oil. Let's use it to make salad later.
Well, how about this?
Woohoo! Yeah, that's engine oil right there. All done. Turn on your pump. Let's see if it works. Stop! Hold it! Bring it back down. Carefully. Haha! Your outrigger is broken. Don't panic. Let's get you a new one.
What about this one?
These are not firm enough.
Then this must be the outrigger we're looking for.
That's a jack. We can lift the car with it, but it won't do much as an outrigger. All right. Now you can raise your bucket again. Thanks for your help. And now you can go back to work. See ya!
Once again, BiBi saved the day. Now our friend Bucket Truck can raise his bucket all the way up. Thank you, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
The time BiBi helped the Jeep to become a monster truck. One day, little Jeep was coming home, but something bad happened while he was climbing up the hill.
Rockfalls are very common in the mountains. Lil Jeep was lucky enough to avoid those heavy boulders falling on top of him. He tried to drive through the jumble, but his wheels were too small. Lil Jeep thought he would never get back home again, unless we could ask BiBi to help. Let's head over to BiBi's workshop and pimp our little buddy.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi was just about to finish another car and thought that it would be great to have a little bit of rest. BiBi couldn't understand what was wrong when Lil Jeep came over.
What happened to you?
Lil Jeep told BiBi a story about how he was climbing up the mountain and about the rockfall that blocked the road. He told BiBi that he was stuck and couldn't get back home. Master BiBi quickly found a way to help Lil Jeep.
Don't you worry, we'll switch you up thick and fast. Crossing that pile of stones will be a piece of cake. Am I right, guys? But where should we start? First of all, let's bring you up a little. We'll start by getting rid of these old little wheels of yours. Now let's get our little Jeep a pair of new ones. They should be big enough so that our buddy could get across a big pile of stones. Look, we have a few options to choose from. We should pick the ones that would suit our friend best of all.
How about these?
No, they're too small and don't even have a tire.
Then what about these?
No way. Those are the same ones we just got rid of.
Okay, well, these seem like they could do the job. Oh, yes, perfect.
Now we must get the new motor in this Jeep. The old one doesn't have enough power to move the new wheels.
Is this the one?
No, it's the battery.
Maybe this one?
No way, it's a generator. It doesn't belong here.
How about that?
Yes, that's exactly what we need. Lil Jeep, you're officially pimp.
Lil Jeep thanked BiBi and was back on the road.
Good luck!
With the new big wheels, Lil Jeep had no problem crossing over that big pile of stones. Thanks a lot, BiBi.
BiBi and the Street Sprinkler.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. Time to chill. The weather outside is beautiful. I think we should go hit the park. It's so dull to sit at home on a day like this. Whoop-a-doo-ba-doo.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Not everyone chills on Sunday though. The Street Sprinkler has to work. He needs to clean up the winter mess in front of the park. He came to the river to get some water. Okay, it's full now. Time to go to the center.
Oh, cool. Look, guys, it's a street sprinkler. It's got sprinkles right up in the front. He uses them to wash the road. That is awesome. Oh no! Looks like we're out of water. How weird.
It is weird. I thought we filled it to the max. Maybe the pump broke.
Well, we can check that. What happened? Let's see. Maybe there's no more water. Let's check. Huh? It's full. That's weird. I wonder why it doesn't flow. The pump is working. There's plenty of water. Do you guys know what's wrong?
Maybe the water's gone bad. Or the sprinklers broke. Or is it the pump?
Let's check it. Come on, turn on the pump. Yeah, the pump is fine. Water is also good. It's clean, right from the river.
Then it must be the sprinklers.
Yep, let's check them out. But we must take them off first. There are spanners in the car. Let's get them and take off the sprinklers. That is easy. Ooh, this is a hard work. They're twisted so tight. But I think I got one. Oh, now I see. There are small fishes inside. They got there when we were getting water from the river. Poor guys. Don't worry, we'll save ya. There we go. Much better. Now let's twist off another one and get those guys out. I think we're all good. Let's put the sprinklers back. Phew! All done. Let's check it. Turn on the pump. Woohoo! Great! Now you can keep on working.
What should we do with the fishes?
Oh, what should we do?
We can fry these guys. Or we can let them go swim in that fountain. Or bring them back into the river.
Guys, what do you think we should do? I don't think we should fry them. They're way too small. They better grow up first. That's why we should let them go. Only we should put them back in the river. Will you help me, guys?
That is the right decision.
There. Go back to your families. And try to be more careful next time. Bye-bye.
And so this is how BiBi spent his weekend. He fixed the street sprinkler and saved little fishes. What do you guys do on weekends? Leave comments and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.